You tried to go 180, you want to go 90. You get a rhombus?
Yeah.
You're not going to fix it there. You better go back up to the base to fix.
I don't think it's rhombus up the top. It's on the
I know,
board.
so that's why you don't have to go there. It'll take it out from... There's only 3 ways to correct a rhombus that would forward you. One, that everyone knows, is hitting the high diagonal. Another one is under the power hammer where you hit real big and bulge the sides, then you do it. You can't do that there. The other way that I've never heard anyone talk about, that I've done all kinds of ways, in a middle taper, end taper, whatever, is to pick up the square part and then continue on from there, and you'll fix it. And that's why you should have gone back up to your base and done what you're supposed to do to start with. Ignore that rhombus on the end, and when you go back through your taper, it can square it back up.
So
I've done
my
it.
striking, or it was probably my whole